Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my channel The Witty Turtle, and in this video we are going to start the syllabus of Operations Management and Strategic Management, that is your paper number 9 in CMA Intermediate syllabus. So first of all we will check how many chapters are there and what would be our strategy to complete the syllabus ASAP, right? So before starting the video I would like you guys to inform that in the month of December, राइट टुडे इज 22 ऑफ डिसम्बर एंड हमारे पास टाइम है टिल 31 दिसंबर. यहाँ पर मैं कम वीडियोज अपलोड करूँगी बिकॉज ड्यू टू सम पर्सनल वर्क आई एम नॉट एबल टू गिव much time to YouTube. So for that I'll be uploading daily videos, but the duration will be a bit less. Okay, but from January onwards I'll be uploading a bit longer videos and we will complete the syllabus of OMSM very soon, right? So the first study note is introduction. इसमें क्या क्या है आपका what is operations management, production management and operation management में क्या difference है, फिर what are the characteristics of modern operation function and what are the recent trends in production or operations management. Then study note 2 में है operations planning. Then we have designing of operational system and control in the study note 3. In study note 4, production planning and control. You guys must be knowing this. So out of all these chapters we have 2 theory based chapters. The first one is study note number 1 and the second one is study note number 3. So ये जो theory chapters है ना, I will teach you, I will make you understand, but whatever points are there, you have to make a proper note of the theory chapters and you have to revise all the theory chapters on a cumulative basis. Every day you have to revise them. कुछ नहीं, बस pages पलटने हैं and you have to revise them. Okay? So before starting the video, I would like you to inform about this comprehensive batch of Unacademy, specifically for CMA Foundation students who are going to appear in June 2022 examination. This batch has already started from 8th of December 2021 and it is a golden opportunity for you guys to ace your examination in June 2022. Prepare with the top-notch educators in India. It's a subscription that is more than just classes. They will provide you with live interactive classes, recorded lectures with unlimited watch time, access to notes from all the educators at one place. Every fourth session is a doubt clearing session and updated study material. Along with that, they will also provide you with practice mock test papers. So don't wait for anything else and get your subscriptions done today. Simply, you just need to download the Unacademy Learning app, then select CMA Foundation as your goal, click on Get Subscriptions, and you can use my code ANVESHA10 to avail a 10% off. They will also give you a perfect study plan to clear your June 2022 examination. In the subscription, you can avail Rs 875 per month for 24 months, that is 2 years, then 1165 rupees per month for 12 months, and likewise 1750 rupees per month for 6 months. And don't forget to use my code ANVESHA10 while subscribing and you will get a 10% off on your subscription. The link is given in the description box below. Then we have another theoretical study note, that is study note number 5, productivity management and quality management. So basically what do we have in this chapter? ISO standard basics, then the concept of TQM. So this chapter used to be of very less importance in the previous exams, but in the current term, in the December 21 term, they have asked a case study from this chapter, so we can't afford to leave this chapter. Then we have study note number 6, which is project management. Here we have Gantt charts, PERT and CPM. These might seem very difficult to you, but these are very, very simple. And the next chapter is economics of maintenance and spares management. Okay. So in 1 week, I will upload like 3 classes of operations management and 3 classes of strategic management. So in strategic management, we have the first study note, that is introduction. It is of 60 to 65 pages, and then we have strategic analysis and strategic planning, which is of 21 pages, and the next one is formulation and implementation of strategy, which is of 25 pages, right? So let's start with today's class. First, we will understand what do you mean by operations and operations management. So, tell me, now you are watching my video. Do you know how much effort I have put to record this video and to edit and also to upload? Even while making a thumbnail, जिस पिक्चर को देख के आप क्लिक करते हो वीडियो पे, उसको भी बनाने के लिए काफी टाइम लगता है. So, ये मैंने क्या किया, एक वीडियो बनाने के लिए I'm doing some operations, right? Doing some operations. So to produce anything, to produce any email, any video, any text message or any goods or product or service, you have to perform a set of functions or operations. So to manage all those operations, whatever activity is required, that is known as your operations management. Now I have to manage, right? Like I'll take half an hour to record a video and 15 minutes to edit the video and 10 minutes to make the thumbnail, right? So you have to manage every operation or every function. So book में क्या लिखा है? Let's read that in the bookish language. Operations management is the management of that part of an organization that is responsible for producing goods or services. Operations management deals with which part of an organization? That part which is responsible for manufacturing or producing goods or services. Right? एक organization में there are many departments, right? So we are concerned with which department? With the manufacturing department or whatever department is responsible to produce that particular service that your company is providing, right? So there are many examples. अभी मैंने आपको ये सब बताया है. So you can go through this paragraph. Now you understood what is operations management. To understand operations management properly, we need to first understand what is operating system, right? What is operating system? So operating system क्या है? It is basically defined as a configuration of resources combined for the provision of goods or services. So whatever goods or service you are producing in your company, to produce those goods and services, you need some resources. For example, to produce this video, I require some softwares, some of the applications. I need a tripod, I need a microphone, I need a mobile, I need a smartphone, right? So these are my resources. Similarly, to produce some goods or services, you need some resources. So the configuration of all those resources are known as operating system. I hope it is clear till here. Retail organizations, hospitals, bus and taxi services, tailors, hotels and dentists, these are all examples of operating system, right? So what does an operating system basically does? It converts the inputs using some physical resources to create outputs, right? Input, they are using some physical resources and now they are creating the output, the function of which is to satisfy customers' wants. See, so you guys wanted OMSM classes. So here in the operating system of this video, what am I doing? What are the inputs here? The input is my knowledge and the delivery skill that I have. So I am delivering my information to you guys, right? So this is my input. I am using some physical resources like phone, like the tripod, microphone, some applications, and I am creating the output, that is the video. And this video, why am I creating this? Because this function, because this video is satisfying your demands, your needs and wants, right? So any operating system converts inputs using physical resources to create outputs, the function of which is to satisfy customers' wants. The creation of goods or services involves transforming or converting inputs into outputs, right? It is the same thing. Various inputs such as capital, labor, and information are used to create goods or services using one or more transformation processes. So in this case, what are they doing? There are various inputs such as you need capital, you need money for any kind of production, you need labor, you need information, and now they use these inputs and they create goods or services using one or more transformation processes. What can be the transformation processes? Like storing, transporting, and cutting, etc. Right? So we use many transformation processes to convert the input into output. Basically, यही है इसमें. To ensure that the desired output are obtained, an organization takes measurements at various points in the transformation process and then compares with them with previously established standards to determine whether corrective action is needed or not. So, I'll make you understand this through a diagram. Previously, you have set a standard that we need to produce at least 1000 perfect units. Right? यहाँ पर कोई भी डिफेक्ट नहीं है, कोई भी डिफेक्ट नहीं है यहाँ पर. Now, when you are converting some of the inputs to the output, what do you need to do? During this process only, you need to make some checkpoints where you will check whether the desired result has been obtained or not. Like अगर यहाँ पर काम 20% होना चाहिए, so you need to check whether the 20% of the work has been done or not. यहाँ पर अगर 50% होना चाहिए, so you need to check कि यहाँ पर 50% काम हुआ है या नहीं. Right? So this is what the sentence is saying. कि at various points in the transformation process, you need to take feedback. You need to take feedback. Yes, suppose in this, at this checkpoint, yes, 20% of the work has been done, then it is fine. If at this point, if 40% work is done, that means you need to take a control of that particular function. You need to check what corrective measures are needed to make this 40% into 50%. हम लोग का desired result क्या था? Desired result was to achieve 50%, but now it is at 40%. So we need to take some corrective measures, and this is known as controlling, right? It is important to note that goods and services even occur jointly. Yes, of course. So here we can take the example of a restaurant, right? Whenever you are visiting the restaurant, you are ordering food. Whatever food you are getting, that is the good. Along with that, you are also availing some services like वो लोग आपको सर्व करते हैं खाना. Whatever queries you have, whatever extra thing you need, they provide you with that. So restaurant is a perfect example of the place where goods and services occur jointly. यहाँ पर एक example दिया है. You can go through the example. You can also read the paragraph by yourself. And आज का ये class यहीं तक रहेगा. If you find this video useful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, The Witty Turtle, and also share this video with your friends and let them know that I'm starting a new series of operations management. The link of Unacademy and my Telegram, Instagram, and Twitter handle are given in the description box below. Do go and check them out.